Hi humans, I'm Asha Bruja, the naughtiest vlogger with a tail. Let's talk about the funny characteristics of dogs.
Una, lagi kaming nagtatago ng tsinelas na parang treasure hunt.
Pangalawa, expert kami sa puppy eyes para makakuha ng extra treat.
Pangatlo, instant alarm clock kami tuwing madaling araw. Wala kayong ligtas. Pang-apat no ba't akala nyo guard dog kami, pero minsan lang, kasi busy sa tulog.
Fifth, even though we're small, we feel like tigers when someone passes by. Number 6 tip, we love to photobomb all your selfies. 7th, wherever you go, we are automatic shadows. And 8th, we are certified mood boosters any day.
Yun lang mga human, huwag kalimutang i-like, i-share at i-follow si Asha Bruja, ang inyong cutie pie na dog vlogger. Bye! Arf arf!